Hey gang, it's Carol Ann here with FiTOUR, and I have your FiTOUR tip of the week. Now this week we're going to be focusing on the bar exercises, and more specifically the advanced level. So we're going to go to the bar and we're going to incorporate some jumping jacks and some power jacks, and you can incorporate this exercise into your HIIT classes. So here we go. We're going to jump down and in. So just a regular jumping jack here. And once we do some jumping jacks, then we're gonna do some power jacks, down and up, down and up. So these are your power jacks, and then we can move to just simple jumping jacks. And those are the exercises that you can incorporate into your HIIT classes. Remember, you're going to just perform those exercises for about 30 seconds or maybe even 40 seconds into your intervals, and then you'll take a break.